Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I'm standing here by some tires. You probably have tires, but these tires have a lot of tread depth because they're brand new. And if yours don't look like this, that could be a problem because it's getting cold outside. And when it gets cold, a certain more solid version of water starts to accumulate on the road, which can at times make it so you slide into things. However, having tires of the proper tread depth and wear can help prevent this from occurring. So now, heading into winter is a better time than ever to make sure that your tires are equipped for your winter adventures. And if you're not sure how to check if your tires have appropriate depth to them in life, or if you might need an alignment or any other service needs going into winter, it's a great time to just generally make sure that your car is ready for the road ahead of it. So we have some exciting specials on tires. Anything you need, shoot us a call or stop by today.